Dear students, in this session let us talk about the quinoline and isoquinoline. As we have discussed about the condensed heterocycles and definition classification. So in that we have discussed about indole, and these are the next members of the condensed heterocycles, wherein we can see the condensation of benzene with pyridine. This is one example, we can call it as a quinoline, and this is another example, isoquinoline. So quinoline is a fused aromatic ring system, and it can be also known as benzopyridine. And in quinoline, all ring atoms, 9 carbon atoms and 1 nitrogen, are sp2 hybridized. 2 sp2 hybridized on each carbon atom overlap and form carbon-carbon bond and carbon-nitrogen sigma bond. The third pz orbital on each carbon atom overlap with an s orbital of hydrogen and forms carbon-hydrogen sigma bond. The third pz orbital of nitrogen is occupied by the lone pair of electrons. So each atom possesses one unhybridized p orbital containing one electron, and these are perpendicular to the plane of the sigma bond. So overlap of these p orbital produces delocalized pi molecular orbital containing 10 electrons. So quinoline also possesses aromatic properties because the molecular orbital satisfies the Voekel's rule 4n plus 2. So the nitrogen lone pair is not released into the aromatic system because it is perpendicular to the pi system. The nitrogen withdraws the electron by resonance, resulting in an electron deficient ring system. So these are some of the structures obtained by the delocalization of electrons. These are formed by the withdrawal of electrons from the nitrogen. So the first method of preparation, which we call it as a Scroop synthesis, here mixture of glycerol, aniline, sulfuric acid, nitrobenzene and ferrous iron 2 sulfate are heated together. The reaction seems to be exothermic and it becomes very violent. The ferrous 2 sulfate is added to make the reaction less violent. Nitrogen or an alternative oxidant are often recommended. It's required to convert the product 1,2-dihydroquinoline to quinoline. So these are the various steps involved in this preparation of quinoline by Scroop method. Glycerine, that is glycerol. This is propanol. When it is heated with sulfuric acid, it's from acrolein, that's quinoline. So these are the steps. So one more there, Friedlander synthesis. It involves the condensation of orthoaminobenzaldehyde with acetaldehyde in presence of alkali. It is a chemical reaction of 2-aminobenzaldehyde with ketones to form quinoline derivatives. It is named after the chemist Paul Friedlander. So this is the reaction which is given for the synthesis of quinoline by Friedlander. So we can see the mechanism here. 2-amino substituted carbonyl, 2-amino substituted carbonyl, compound 1, carbonyl compound 2 react to form aldol, that is product 3, and the intermediate loses water by an elimination to form unsaturated carbonyl compound 4, then loses water to form imine formation to give quinoline. So these are the steps involved in the reaction mechanism. So another method there, norquinoline synthesis. It is an intermolecular organic reaction converting beta-ketoanalide to 2 hydroxyquinoline using sulfuric acid, which is given by this reaction. This reaction is an electrophilic aromatic substitution accompanied by elimination of water, and we can see here under such condition 4-hydroxyquinoline is formed. Benzoyl acetonide forms 2-hydroxyquinoline in excess of polyphosphoric acid, but 4-hydroxyquinoline when the amount of PPA is small. The reaction can be given like this. Quinoline is slightly basic than pyridine. It reacts with acids and forms salt. So this is the first example. Quinoline hydrochloride, and similarly it undergoes reactions like nitration. This is a nitro derivative, and this undergoes halogenation. These are the bromination. These are the two bromo derivatives. It undergoes sulfonation. So these are the two sulfo derivatives. So attack can take place if you want to preserve the aromatic sextet by six set of electrons. 6 set of electrons of the pyridine ring, aromatic pyridine ring. 6 set of electrons of the pyridine ring, while attacked by 6 and 7 destroys the aromatic 6 set of the ring. These are the nucleophilic substitution reactions with soda amide. Substitution occurs at C2, forming quinoline 2-amine derivative. With potassium hydroxide it forms quinoline 2-ol. With N-butyl lithium it forms quinoline 2-ol. So reaction with acetic acid it forms quinoline N-oxide. Reaction with KMnO4 it forms this derivative. These are some of the reactions, and this is one more derivative of quinoline, that is isoquinoline, which is also a fused aromatic ring system known as benzo-C-pyridine. In isoquinoline, same all ring carbon at 9 sp2 hybridized. The two sp2 orbitals on each carbon atom overlap to form carbon-carbon bond and carbon-nitrogen sigma bond. The third sp2 orbital on each carbon atom overlap with one s orbital of hydrogen form carbon-hydrogen sigma bond. The third sp(z) orbital of nitrogen occupied by nitrogen lone pair of electrons. So each ring atom possesses one unhybridized p orbital containing one electron, and these are perpendicular to the plane containing sigma bond. So overlap of these will produce delocalized pi molecular orbital containing 10 electron. So accordingly isoquinoline is also aromatic, avoiding Huckel's rule. The nitrogen electron withdrawn by the same resonance and form electron deficient ring system. So these are the various structures obtained by the withdrawal of electrons of nitrogen. Isoquinoline is basic like quinoline. It reacts with acids and form salt which are sparingly soluble in water. Isoquin hydrochloride, isoquin iodide. It also undergoes electrophilic substitution reaction and it takes place at position 5. So this is the first one, nitration. This is the second one, sulfonation. And you can see these are the derivatives obtained by nitration: 5-nitroquinoline, 8-nitroquinoline. That is isoquinoline 5-sulfonic acid. Isoquinoline also converted into 1,2-dihydro or 1,2,3,4 tetrahydroquinoline with diethyl aluminum hydride or sodium with ethanol respectively. With KMnO4 it gives acid, with alkyl halide it gives this derivative, with soda amide it gives amine. So these are the various possible reactions of isoquinoline. These are the nucleophilic substitution reaction. With soda amide it forms amine, 2-amine and 10-amine. Quinoline and isoquinoline simultaneously undergo oxidative cleavage with alkaline KMnO4 to give pyridine 2,3-carboxylic acid and pyridine 3,4-carboxylic acid respectively. Pyridine 2,3-carboxylic acid is not stable, it undergoes decarboxylation to give nicotinic acid. Quinoline and isoquinoline both form N oxide when treated with hydrogen peroxide in acetic acid with organic peracid. So these are the reactions which are given for the oxidative cleavage. Thank you.